How to delete saved chats on Snapchat from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete saved chats on Snapchat from both sides. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you have saved chats on your Snapchat, simply first of all launch a Snapchat application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. After that, tap the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and this will help you to access the chat section on your Snapchat. You need to choose the account or the user, open the conversation with them, and after that, you need to simply look for the saved chats. After searching for the saved chats, what you need to do to delete it is you need to simply hold on that saved chat and tap on the Unsaved in chat. Once you do that, it will be unsaved and deleted on Snapchat from the both side. If you have sent any kind of snaps on Snapchat to any of the users, then what you need to do is again you need to tap and hold that particular snap, and after that tap on the delete button and tap delete chat. This will help us to delete saved chats on Snapchat from both sides. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.